Hey guys, this is our book that's all about leaves by Throp. This is a good book to practice reading aloud. You can pause the video after each page turn and read by yourself, or you can listen and read along with me. Let's review. What are plants? Plants are living things. These are the parts of a plant. There is the flower, the stem, the leaf, the root, and the seed. Plants have many parts. What do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight and air to grow. Plants need water to grow. Can you think of anything else a plant might need to grow? I'm thinking a plant might need soil. What are leaves? A leaf is one part of a plant. What are some things that you already know about leaves? Leaves grow from a plant's stem. Do you remember where the stem grows from? If you said the seed, then you have a great memory. The stem grows from the seed, and the leaves grow from the stem. Leaves make food for a plant. What do you think leaves use to make food for the plant? Leaves use sunlight to make the food. Types of leaves. There are different types of leaves. Some leaves are long and thin. Some leaves have wavy edges. Some plants have very big leaves. Some plants have very small leaves. Leaves can come in many colors. Most leaves are green. Some leaves stay green all year. Some leaves turn red in the fall. Other leaves turn yellow, orange, or brown in the fall. Leaves as food. Some animals like to eat leaves. Some insects like to eat leaves too. Can you think of any leaves that humans can eat? Sometimes I like to eat spinach and kale in my salad. Many people like lettuce too. Plants need leaves. Leaves make food to help a plant grow. Thank you for listening and reading along. Keep working hard and I'll see you soon.